Hi, it's Rob again, back at the dashboard factory here. And I just want to go one more time and talk about how we can do a long rip on the dashboard with the outriggers and track stars. And we're going to cut some 3/4 inch thick material today. I want to show you how easy that is by yourself. So once again, I have the parallel guides set here and here to my dimension of 642 millimeters. I've installed these dogs in these two track stars just as a reference. Really, the parallel guides are what's important here, but just helps us to position the whole piece. And also, you will notice that on the outriggers, we have a couple of the spiral dogs here and here, just as a platform for the guide rail, so it's conveniently at hand and ready to use. And now we'll pull the sheet on. Okay, so now I'll just slide it up against the parallel guides and then down against the dogs on this end. And we're ready to go. Okay, so now I'll just grab the rail, conveniently located. Now, again, drop the spiral dog in the slot on the track star, just like before. Do the same thing on this end, and we're ready to cut. Okay, so we've made our cut. This piece has not moved because it's well supported by the outriggers and the track stars. Pull this away in perfect peace and harmony, set it on the pile. And now lift the rail, slide it out of the slots, put it back in its little storage area. And here's my piece. Again, easy to slide out and grab. I don't really have to hold any weight. And again, I walk away with it. So that's how we do it. Thanks for watching.